Hello everyone, welcome back to Narayana Tech House. If you are new here today, please subscribe our channel Narayana Tech House and don't forget to hit bell icon to get the notifications of our videos. So today, let's talk about task 2, that is creating a simple calculator, guys. A simple calculator to perform arithmetic operations like to perform addition, okay, addition, then subtraction, and multiplication, division, and modulus. Okay, to perform this five operation, just I want to create a simple calculator by using just Python if statements. Python by using Python conditional statements, I want to create a simple calculator, guys. Okay, so for that I'm going to open ideally open our previous file. It is the file, it is our previous task 1. Okay, now I'm going to implement task 2. This is what task 1, right? Task 1. Now let's go with the task 2 here, right? So what is the task 2? Task 2 is a calculator simple calculator. Okay, so here first I'm going to display those five options so that the user can choose any one of these five options, right? So first what we do, let's take those five options. The first option like addition, the second one subtraction, right? The third one is multiplication. The fourth one is division, and the fifth one is modulus, right? Modulus. So for this all, I sent one variable called something like options, guys, right? Options. Huh. Now, suppose if I print options, then what happens here? These five names will display, right? Okay. Suppose I take now print of options. Print of options. You can observe here. What is the name? Options, right? Let me take all lowercase letters only. Right. These are all options displaying. Now I ask user choose any one option. Okay, choose the option, guys, right? Or operation. So we ask user after displaying to him. We ask user input because user going to give some input, right? Like one or two, some number is going to give. That's why input of enter your option. Enter your option, guys. Enter your option. Suppose suppose if he gives 1, that means what he's like to perform addition operation. If he gives 2, that means what here he likes to perform subtraction operation. If he gives something 5, that means he likes to perform modulus operation. Suppose if he is giving any number other than this 5, other than 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then I want to display invalid option. Invalid option. Okay. So first of all, check once the option should be greater than 0 and less than 6, guys, right? Less than 6. And whatever we give, that assigned to what now? First you convert, okay, assigned to one variable called, which variable? I just take the name option above options, right? Now he's giving specific option. Okay, option, guys. Huh. So if that option should be greater than 0 and that option should be less than how much here? Less than 6. The option should be between 0 to 6, right? Then only perform any of these operations. So he is giving less than 0. or above 6, then we want display what here? A display like invalid option comma. Please uh, enter either one or two or three, okay, or four or five. That's all. This is what display to user. If you use a minus two, minus three, or a seven, eight, nine like that, at that time it displays to him. Right? Let's check once now. I just make the pause here. I'll check once here. Run this one. Choose the option. Right? Okay. Enter your option. Enter your option. I am giving the option something 10. I am giving option 10. 10 is the if is true or false, if is false. Go to where else block and display what invalid option. Please enter either one or two or three or four or five only. Okay. So if I give something minus one also, same thing will come. Enter either 1 to 5. It's invalid, right? Suppose if you gives any number which is between 1 to 5, like he is giving 3. At that time, I want to perform if is true or false. If is true, then perform what multiplication, right? So if it is 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 or 5, at that time condition is true, and then perform one by one operation. Perform all one by one operation. Okay, right. So, and one more thing, for these all five operations, I required any two numbers, right, guys? So that's why I take the two numbers here only. Okay, I take the two numbers here. Input of enter first number, and assign to what something a, and one more input of enter second number, and here also we convert, and then assign to what now? Assign to some variable b, right? Ah. Now what's first option? If option one, then which one you perform addition, right? So inside if option equal to one, means what here? If you give number one here, if you give the one means what's option number one? That means what you choose it here. One means what? Addition, right? So addition means I take a plus b, a plus b assigned to what? C, assigned to C, right? Assigned to C, and then I can print here. So the addition of first number and second number is a result. Outside we take the format of what first number, second number, and result like this. This is what if option equal to one. L if option is the rest one what here option 2, if option 2, then a minus b option means if he gives 2, guys, if he gives 2, that means he choosing what subtraction, right? Subtraction. So 2 means what if condition is true, inside if it is false, then it is true, and here I am taking now c, again same now, again print of what here, print of the subtraction of a first number and second number is what result outside what now format of a comma b comma c. Again third one, if option equal to what 3, if it is 3, c equal to a into b, right? A into b, again print of the multiplication of A and B is what C, outside what dot format of A comma B comma C, right? Now option 4, if option equal to 4, now C equal to what here? So option 4 is what now? Division, guys, right? Option 4 means what? Division. So C equal to what here? Right? By B, like this. And again, print of uh, the division Division of first number and second number is result, right? And outside dot format of A comma B comma C. And else means what? The remaining option of five only, right? Option five only, guys. Means what? Modulus, right? Modulus. That means what? C equal to A modulus B. Then print off what here? The modulus of A and B is what result dot format of A B C. That's all, right? Now let us try, guys. Let us try this one now. Let me decrease some font size. Run this one. I am giving option one. Option one, right? Okay. Right. In the option one, what is first number 10 or second number 5? So the addition of 10 and 5 is what? 15, guys, right? 15. Okay. And suppose I am giving option 3. 3 means what? Multiplication, right? Again, 10 by some 10 into 3. How much here? 30, right? 30. Okay. That is fine. Suppose, see what is happening after choosing the option, right? Asking the number, right? Number, first number, second number. After choosing the option, right? Asking the first number, second number, right? In this case, suppose if I give option 7, 7 is not there. I want to display invalid number. But here also, what is happening? Observe now, asking enter option one, number one, number two, guys, right? First number and second number, right? See, in this case, what I don't want to ask the numbers, right? Because it's invalid number. Lately, I want to display this one only. So if it is valid number, if it is valid number like either 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 or 5, then only I want to ask the numbers to perform the operation. If I give more than 5, it like 6 or 7 or any other number which is invalid, at that time I don't want to ask the numbers, right? It is no use. So then at that time what we do, these two I don't take out of the if take inside the if, guys, that's better. Inside the if condition is true, condition true means what is the option? It should be either 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 or 5. In that case only if condition is true, if it is true only asking the numbers, right? Let's check once here. I am giving again option 7. Option 7, see, invalid option, right? I give the option something of 5. Option 5. What is 5? Modulus, right? It's a valid option. That's why I'm asking the first number, second number. First number, second number, how much here? Modulus 0, right? And let's check the option 4. I am giving option 4. Option 4, right? First number I am giving something 10, second number I am giving something 4, some output will come, right? But in case of division, guys, always some problem is there. What's the problem? In case of division, option 4, division, first number 10, second number giving 0, 0, see, error is coming, right? Means the denominator should not be 0. If it is 0, I want to display a normal message. Please take non-zero value like that, but not error, right? So in case of before performing the operation, check what is the b value. If b value 0, the display, please enter non-zero value, right? Otherwise, perform this operation, right? Okay. So if which value b, because I'm taking the b as a denominator, right? If b is 0, I'm going to print what? Print, okay. It's a error, right? So please give non-zero values. non-zero values. That's all. Or value. Else means what? Not zero. In that case, what I want to know? Perform this operation. Perform this operation. Let us try now. I am giving option 4, division. First number 10 and second number I am giving 0. You can see now it is error. Please give non-zero values. Means instead of displaying this error, instead of displaying user defined message here. User defined message. All right. Okay, so this is a simple program to perform this arithmetic operations, right? It's a basic program, guys. It's a basic task. The same task we can do next level also by taking the iterations without ending the program. Without ending the program, we can perform all five options that we do next level, next program. Okay. Right. Thank you so much, guys. So please don't forget to subscribe our channel Narayana Tech House and please click the bell icon to get the notification. Thank you so much. Bye.